Hello guys, how to fix KB5044273 update not installing on Windows 10. If you are trying to install this Windows 10 update and fail to install in your system, then here are the procedure. And the first workaround is right click on a start button and choose run. You may press Win plus R shortcut key to launch run dialog box and here type services.msc. Click on OK. It will open services windows in your system. Here start or restart various services. The first one is background intelligent transfer service. Right click on it and choose restart. If you found it in a stop mode, then first start it. Apply a double click on it to open its properties and set a startup type as automatic. Click on apply and OK to save the changes. Same procedure will be applied for the second one is cryptographic services. Same process, right click on it, choose restart. Apply a double click on it to open its properties. Set a startup type as automatic. Click on apply and OK to save the changes. The third one services is Windows installer services. Look for Windows installer services. Same process, right click on it and choose start or restart. If you found it in stop mode, then start it and apply a double click on it to open its properties, but you can't change its startup type, so close the windows. And the fourth one is Windows update services. Same, right click on it and choose restart Windows update services. Set a startup type as automatic and choose apply and OK to save the changes. Close the windows, restart your system and check whether your Windows update failed to install error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again, go to the start button and choose settings. Plus I shortcut key to launch Windows settings. Here go to system from the left side. Thereafter go to right side and choose troubleshoot. Click on troubleshoot. Here choose other troubleshooters. Click on it. And here run the Windows update troubleshooter. Click on run option and let the window complete the troubleshooting process. It will not only detect the issue, fix them accordingly. Follow on screen instruction to complete the Windows update troubleshoot in your system. After that, restart your system and check whether your Windows update failed to install error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. And the next one is go to Windows search and type cmd and here type cmd and open command prompt Windows run as administrator mode. Command prompt window will now open. In command prompt windows, first execute these three dism tool as shown on a screen. dism online scanhealth, dism online checkhealth, and dism online restorehealth. Execute all these three commands one by one, followed by enter key on each time in command prompt windows. And once successfully execution of dism tools, execute the command sfc scan now. sfc / scan now and press enter. It will scan your system for any corrupted files and repair them accordingly. Wait till 100% completion of verification. After that, restart your system and check whether your Windows update failed to install error resolved or not. You must restart your system after execution dism tool and sfc scan now. The next workaround is again launch command prompt Windows run as administrator mode and execute some Windows update components as shown on a screen. All these components, first execute these four commands one by one, followed by enter key to stop these four services. One by one execute in command prompt windows, followed by enter key on each time. After that, execute all these commands one by one. All this command path will also available in my videos description box. You may copy from there. execute one by one, and after that start all those 4 services you have earlier stopped them. Execute one by one followed by enter key on each time. Follow on screen instruction. It will take some times, and after execution of Windows update components, don't forget to restart your system. And check whether your Windows update failed to install error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again, launch run dialog box by pressing Win plus R shortcut key and here type msconfig. It will open system configuration windows in your system. Here, go to boot option from the top menu bar and choose safe boot. And thereafter, go to services tab from the top menu bar and make the check against option hide all Microsoft services and click on disable all. After that, go to a startup tab from the top menu bar and open task. Now all the startup apps will be available here. Here look for the all which startup apps is enabled. Look for all the enabled apps. Simply right click on it and manually disable it. Apply this process for all the enabled startup app in your system. Finally, close the windows, choose apply and OK to save the changes and check whether your Windows update failed to install error resolved or not. You must restart your system after applying system configuration settings change. Now manually download and install Windows update. To do so, open your Google Chrome browser. Microsoft Update Catalog in search field. Open Microsoft Update Catalog as a first result, and here type the KV update which you want to download and install it in your system. In search field, type the KV update and click on search. All the available KV update and its related update will visible here. This KB5044273 update is basically for Windows 10 device. So manually click on download and install. Click on download button and manually download and install KV update for your